Hey guys, welcome back to my crash course in camp registration. In part one, we went over creating your household account and making sure all your information is accurate. Now let's get to the good stuff, browsing for camps.
Let's head over to pdhp.org/camp. Here we'll get an overview of all the camps offered at the Park District. You can also get here by hovering over programs at the top of our website and clicking on camp, as well as on the quick links section of the homepage. We group our camps by category to make it easy to find what you're looking for. You'll also see we have our before and after camp options and end of summer mini camps here. Our before and after camps are great options if you need to extend your camper's day in the morning, afternoon, or even both. Super convenient for all of us with busy schedules, so make sure you check those out. I'm going to take a look at our nature camps. Here you can see all of our nature camps listed out with some basic information. I can also click on this plus sign and get more information. One thing to remember when you're browsing is that you want to be looking for camps that are either for the age your child would be by the first day of camp or the grade that you're entering in the fall of 2025. If you have any questions about this or are hoping to register for a camp your child is technically too old or too young for, you can reach out to our registration team for assistance. Once I find a camp I want to register my kiddo in, I'm going to hit register, and now we're back to the registration portal. During the camp shopping process, you might be flipping back and forth between our website and our registration portal. The easiest way to look through all the camps we have to offer is to stay on our website, pdhp.org. When you hit the register button for a camp, the portal will open in a new tab. If you want to go back to browsing, just go back to our website in the original browser tab. You really only want to be here when you're adding camps to your wish list or you're ready to add something to your cart and check out. Now, because registration is not open yet, I can't add this to my cart. Instead, I'm going to click this three-dot icon and choose Add to Wish List. You can add as many camps to your wish list as you would like. Adding a camp to your wish list doesn't guarantee a spot, but it does save time and helps expedite the process on registration day.
For those of you with multiple campers, we know that planning your summers can be a little overwhelming. So that's why we created this Camps at a Glance cheat sheet. Print it out, take notes, highlight it, whatever you need to do to come up with a good summer game plan. Okay, well, since registration is still a few days away, I'm gonna skip ahead to the future when I'll be able to add my wish list items to my cart. I'll see you guys in part 3.